Hey guys, it's Rachel here with WTI, and I am always on the hunt for a good toothpaste that is non-toxic, but at the same time will do a great job and will whiten my teeth. If you're on the hunt for the same thing, you've got to try this toothpaste by Jason. It's the Powersmile toothpaste. It's anti-cavity and it's whitening. This toothpaste is a different consistency. It's gel. I really like the way it tastes. It's not too strong. It's a nice peppermint flavor, and I do find that it's been helping to whiten my teeth. So because this toothpaste is a different consistency, it's gel, it goes on to my teeth really nice and smoothly. It's not gritty, and so I find that it's not harsh on my teeth, even though I do find that it whitens them. This toothpaste tube is 6 ounces, and I love that it doesn't have parabens or gluten. It doesn't have sweeteners. It just is a really great toothpaste. So if you're looking for a great toothpaste that uses natural ingredients, I would highly recommend this one. I love it, and that's my point of view.